Come test drive the 2015 Toyota Sienna. Sienna offers excellent overall quality and long-term dependability, making it a hassle-free vehicle to drive day in and day out while contributing to peace of mind on long road trips. Add a refined and fuel-efficient V6 engine, a smooth ride, and upscale interior accommodations to the mix, and it's easy to see that Sienna is built with the whole family in mind. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, backup camera, power liftgate, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless start, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, cruise control, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.